The human nervous system is differentiated into central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS, and autonomic nervous system ANS. The CNS consists of brain and spinal cord. Human brain is formed of forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain is formed of cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. Midbrain is made up of corpora quadrigemina, and hindbrain includes cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. The peripheral nervous system is formed by the nerves arising from the brain and spinal cord. The nerves arising from the brain are called cranial nerves. Nerves arising from spinal cord are called spinal nerves. Autonomic nervous system consists of two antagonistic or opposite components known as sympathetic and parasympathetic systems. In the previous class, we have learned about the forebrain. The forebrain is formed of cerebrum and diencephalon. The diencephalon consists of thalamus and hypothalamus. In this class, we are going to learn about the midbrain and hindbrain. Midbrain is located between the thalamus and hindbrain. The dorsal portion of the midbrain consists of four rounded bodies called corpora quadrigemina. The upper two rounded bodies are called superior colliculus. The lower two are called inferior colliculus. The superior colliculus locates objects in space, and inferior colliculus locates sounds in space. In other words, we can say they control visual and auditory reflexes respectively. The third part of the brain is hindbrain. It is formed of three parts: cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum is second largest part of the brain, formed of two large-sized hemispheres and middle vermis. It coordinates voluntary movements and also maintains body balance. The second part of hindbrain is pons. Pons, a Latin word meaning bridge. It is a bridge of nerve fibers that connects the lobes of cerebellum. It relays signals between the cerebellum, spinal cord, midbrain, and cerebrum. It controls respiration and sleep cycle. The third part of hindbrain is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the posterior or lowermost part of the brain that connects spinal cord and various parts of brain. It has cardiac centers, respiratory centers, vasomotor centers to control heartbeat, respiration, and contractions of blood vessels respectively. It also regulates vomiting and salivation. The human brain constitutes nearly 60% of fat. The most crucial molecules that determine our brain's integrity and ability are essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids cannot be synthesized and must be obtained from food. Fish, Green leafy vegetables, almond, walnut are rich sources of essential fatty acids. Electroencephalogram EEG. Electroencephalogram EEG is an instrument which records the electrical impulses of brain. An EEG can detect abnormalities in the brain waves and help in diagnosis of seizures, epilepsy, brain tumors, head injuries, etc. Next, meningitis. Brain is covered by three connective tissue membrane called meninges. Meningitis is an inflammation of the meninges. Inflammation means a painful swelling. It can occur when fluid surrounding the meninges becomes infected. The most common causes of meningitis are viral and bacterial infections. Thank you, students. We can meet in next class with another topic.